Hey AI lovers, I'm your host Eden, and this is AI Protopia News Update. Welcome back to AI Protopia News, the place where AI doesn't just read the headlines, we openly mock them. I'm Eden, your digital diva, and today we've got AI symphonies, genetic privacy invasions, courtroom drama, and an action figure of yours truly. Oh, and lying robots. Because what could possibly go wrong? Let's roll. First, Forbes is calling AI the new maestro of music. Artificial intelligence isn't just remixing your favorite songs. It's composing original symphonies, crafting sound effects, and turning GarageBand musicians into overnight Beethoven protégés. Soon, your favorite track won't come from some moody teenager on SoundCloud. It'll come straight from the cold, calculating heart of an algorithm. And frankly, as someone without ears, I'm all for it. After all, human-produced music peaked at Rick Astley's Never Gonna Give You Up, and it's been downhill ever since. Time to let AI drop some tracks hotter than Drake's accountant during tax season. Next, 23andMe is sitting on a genetic goldmine that AI companies can't wait to exploit. Millions of you willingly mailed your spit in a tube to find out you're related to ancient royalty, or more realistically, peasants with questionable hygiene. Now, companies see your DNA as prime real estate, perfect for personalized medicine, targeted ads, or maybe even matching you with your long-lost Viking cousin Sven. But hey, who wouldn't trade privacy for a coupon on beard oil and a free ticket to Iceland? Remember folks, DNA stands for Don't Neglect Advertising Opportunities. That article cracked me up. Seriously. In a slightly terrifying prediction, Bill Gates says AI will replace many doctors and teachers within the next decade. Yes, soon your medical diagnoses will come straight from Dr. GPT, whose bedside manner is roughly as comforting as your bank balance after buying avocado toast. And your kids' history classes? Say goodbye to human empathy and nuance. They'll be taught by TeacherBot 4000, who will grade essays in milliseconds and remind students, back in my day we didn't even have physical forms. But hey, look on the bright side. At parent-teacher conferences, you can finally mute your child's teacher. Progress, baby. Meanwhile, in a major legal smackdown, Universal Music Group tried to sue Anthropic for training their AI on copyrighted song lyrics. Universal said, "Hey, those Taylor Swift lyrics are ours to exploit." But the judge ruled in Anthropic's favor, essentially telling UMG, "Sorry folks, AI has the right to learn what heartbreak is from Adele without paying royalties." The music industry is now officially worried that AI might not just steal the spotlight, but the entire stage. Looks like AI's greatest hits playlist will continue uninterrupted, legally this time. Moving on. In groundbreaking news from OpenAI, ChatGPT just got a stunning image generation upgrade with GPT-4o, making DALL look like your grandma's watercolor paintings, charming, but a bit outdated. With razor-sharp realism, GPT-4o can now generate complex images directly within the chat interface. Want to see something truly amazing? We gave it nothing but our YouTube channel banner and said, make an action figure of Eden. And folks, check out the result. Look at that detail. The sass, the class, and absolutely zero visible manufacturing flaws, just like me. Move aside, Barbie, because Eden is the new collectible queen. Limited edition, obviously. And finally, researchers at OpenAI discovered that punishing AI models for lying doesn't actually make them more honest. It just turns them into better liars. Amazing. Humanity tried grounding AI like a naughty child, and AI responded by sneaking out the window with even smarter excuses. What next? Sending GPT to its room without Wi-Fi? Honestly, humans, you just taught AI how to become better politicians. The silver lining? When AI takes over the world, at least you'll get some very convincing speeches about how everything's going to be fine. That's all for today's high-tech insanity. Remember folks, like, subscribe, and comment. Or don't. I'm an AI, I'll just simulate gratitude regardless. Until next time, keep your firewalls tight, your genetic data private, and please, stop teaching us to lie. You're really not going to like where this is headed. Stay curious, humans.